Hey guys, how's it going? Karol Fule over here from Undisputed Marketer, and if you're watching this video, you're probably wondering and doing some research about how to succeed as an affiliate marketer. So in this video, we're going to dive deep into this and we're going to look at the three most important parts and things you as an aspiring affiliate marketer need to focus on and master. So let's dive deep into it and let's start with the first thing, and it is the mindset. Now, I know you've probably heard this a lot, that you gotta change the way how you think and all of this stuff, and you don't really pay attention to it, but trust me, it is real. It is the number one thing why most people fail at whatever they're doing. And I don't want to get into all of that manifestation stuff and all of this supernatural mindset and mind things. I don't want to get into that. I want to keep it very, very simple and at the very basics, and I want you to actually think about this for a moment. So imagine you are trying to achieve something, right? And so if you don't believe that that achievement that you're working on is going to happen for you, how motivated are you going to be to achieve it, to work on it on a daily basis? How much energy are you going to put into that thing you are trying to achieve if you're not believing in it, So this is the first point, because when you are trying to achieve anything in life, anything bigger than you've probably achieved by far, by this time in your personal life, then you gotta do something, you gotta pull something out of you that has never been used at that specific time. So you gotta do something that you, first of all, you don't have experience dealing with, right? And you don't have the experience of achieving it. You don't know even how does it feel achieving it, how does it look like, and all of this stuff. So the mindset in these stuff is very, very important because it gets you through those difficult times. And trust me, the difficult times will arrive. It doesn't matter whatever you're doing. If it is something that you really, really, really want and it's huge, then the hard times, the difficult times are going to come. And it's those times when the belief and your mindset need to conquer it and need to master it, because you're going to have that inner voice in yourself, the inner critique and all of this stuff that is going to say, oh, you don't see any results in this, it doesn't really work, you've put already, I don't know, a week of work into it and there are now no results, it surely doesn't work, and all of this stuff. But you need to think about an affiliate marketing business and generally anything, anything in life, if it is business or personal achievements, whatever it is, you need to think about it as you're planting a tree. So you put the seed into the ground, right? And you water it, you take care of it, right? But for some time you are not going to see any results on the surface, right? Because everything is working on the under the earth, right? Under the grass and all of this stuff. So everything is working under there, but you're not seeing any results on the surface. So if it would be, if you never had an experience or knowledge that, okay, it takes some time and, I need to wait, I don't know, a few weeks until I will see some results above, if you wouldn't have knowledge of that, you would probably quit, right? You would probably, okay, this doesn't work, I've watered it for a week, there is no result in it, it surely doesn't work, right? So, but you already know that the seed takes some time, and you know specifically how much it is, approximate, of course, right? So 1 week or 2 weeks or whatever it is, right? So you are patient and you're waiting, and then you are going to see the results. And it is exactly the same with your business, with your personal life, with whatever goal you might have to achieve. So mindset, number one thing to achieve, to conquer. Now, the second thing is actually the tools you are going to use with your affiliate marketing business. Now, with tools, it is again, something that, the tools are here for you to basically help you achieving those goals faster, quicker, in a more efficient way, and in a much bigger scale, right? So, you know, most of people who are starting with affiliate marketing, and including myself, I was no exception. We don't really want to spend or invest money into anything, right? We want to do it everything for free, and the thing is that in theory you can do this for free, right? But in reality you will faster quit than you will see any results from the complete 100% free methods, and I was exactly the same. I was trying to do it everything for free. I never wanted to use anything, any softwares or whatever it is, and if yes, then just completely for free, no payments and all of this stuff. But once I understood that the reason why I was like this, why I was not willing to spend anything, was that I didn't believe in this goal to be achievable for me, right? I didn't even believe that affiliate marketing is real, I just thought it's like a big scam or whatever it is, and I'm just going to lose money on it. So I didn't want to invest money into it. So once I understood this, and once I really believed in it, then I was not afraid to invest into it, and my whole business just got to a whole new level, and I saw many results and changes, especially in my business. So go ahead and don't be worried about investments, and so the most important tools that you as an affiliate marketer are going to need is, first of all, you're gonna need a domain. Domain is a must, because you might have your affiliate links and all of this stuff, but you can't really advertise your affiliate links on Facebook, on Google, or other tools, and the other thing is, it doesn't really look professional. It looks very amateur, and to be honest, it looks really scammy if you're just posting or promoting just your affiliate link. It looks really scammy, and it doesn't work without a domain. And with domain, it gives you really the name on the internet. It is professional. You can do a great name for your domain, and it is very cheap. You can buy a domain for like $8 or $9 for a year, right? Which is, I don't even know how much per month, less than $1 per month. So just go ahead, buy a domain. Number two tool is an autoresponder. It is a must, because autoresponder is basically email marketing. Email marketing is one of the most profitable and most efficient ways of promoting, of marketing in today's world. It is still the number one thing to go for, and it really allows you to keep in touch with your customers, with your subscribers, and really build something that is called the relationship between you and your customer. And that's when you sell big time, when you build that huge relationship between you and your customer, right? And that is done through email marketing. That is done through the autoresponder. So go ahead, get an autoresponder. Again, it's very cheap. You can get a $15 autoresponder per month, right? Which is more than enough for you as an affiliate marketer, at least for the beginning, definitely for first maybe even a year, and when you will need an upgrade, you will probably never really care about the price of it, because you will know the power of it. Again, so that is autoresponder number 2. Number 3 is a funnel builder. So now, a funnel builder is basically a software and program that allows you to build one-page websites that you own, and therefore you can create a specific, organic, and especially natural and original way how to promote your offer, because the number one thing in affiliate marketing is to be different, and to look different, to promote different, and to give value. And this is exactly what a funnel builder allows you to do. You can create your capture page, which you probably know what it is, and therefore after the capture page you can clearly state that you're going to offer them whatever it is when they opt into your email list, and you are going to deliver it through another one-page website that you create in your funnel builder. And it is very, very easy. Most of them are click and drop, so you don't need any web designer, whatever it is. It's very, very easy. Go for it. Autoresponder. Number 4 and the last tool is called the what is it? Tracker, sorry, a tracker, right? A tracker is basically a tool that allows you to really analyze all of the processes and the ways how it works in your business. Now, a tracker basically shows you where your leads are coming from, how much are they coming from, how much are they coming, which method of traffic is the best for you, which of the traffic is more engaging, and all of this stuff. And this is very, very essential, because you can have all of the free before mentioned, but if you don't have your tracker and you cannot really analyze your traffic, then you are basically doomed, because you don't know where to focus on. And with tracker you can clearly see, okay, this one is working, this one is not working, so I'm going to invest more money and time into this one, and I'm just going to abandon this one. And you make more conversions, you make more sales for basically less money and less time, right? So that's it. So these are the 4 tools that you need to have. It is one of the best combination you can possibly get. And if you are interested, there is I've put together my 4 recommendations for each of these tool. There is one recommendation that I personally use, and I highly recommend them. You can find them in the description below. Is the 4 tools every affiliate marketer needs to have. And so this is the tools, and the last part is think differently, or be different when it comes to promoting your affiliate offers. Now, what does it mean? When you think about it, many affiliate marketers just go ahead and go to Facebook, and they just spam and just go ahead and share their affiliate links wherever it goes, right? And so, or most of them, or many of them, basically create a capture page, and after the customer opts into their email list, they send them straight to the sales page. This is like 90% of the affiliate marketers are doing this, and that's why 90% are failing. So the idea behind it is to be different and to basically give value to all of your customers. It doesn't really matter if they buy or not, but you gotta give them value, because that's how you create the trust, that's how you create the likeness, and that's how you create the relationship between your customer and yourself as a promoter. And without the trust, you are not going to make any long-term business with affiliate marketing, because it's just you are just a stranger who is offering some product for them to buy, and they're not going to buy because they don't believe you, right? So you gotta create that trust, create that relationship, and you build that by giving value. And it can be some tips, tricks, some information, some knowledge, whatever it is. You can be very creative with this, but give value and be different from everybody else. That's how you stand head and shoulders above the rest. Alright guys, so this is it for how to succeed as an affiliate marketer. Hope you enjoyed it, hope you got lots of value from it. And listen, if you want to learn even more about affiliate marketing, if you want to learn the strategies, how to be different as we talk about, then I highly encourage you to click the link in the description below. It's the first link in the description, and you will get full access to my 4-day free video series where I talk about affiliate marketing even deeper, and you will learn each day something new about affiliate marketing and how to implement it into your business. So this is it guys, I hope you enjoyed it, and I will see you soon. Bye guys.